Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wow, we love showing you these Jayco Eagles, so let's take a look. It's a 2026 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 265 FKDS, so let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 31 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 7,920 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,175 with a GVWR of 9,800 pounds. Now I believe this is a fairly new floor plan for the Jayco Eagle line.
I think it is, and I think you guys are going to like a lot about this one. So we'll start right up here at the front. You are going to have a power tongue jack. Your propane, of course, will go behind that cover, and your batteries will mount right down there. And we ended up with one that's locked. Of course we did. But
we got a little something here.
You've got some storage right here. And this is going to have two good-sized slides on this side, and they are rack and pinion slides.
You've got a dump under the slide over there. You might want to go to the other side and look.
Yes, going to be right under there, and the pool is right beside it.
And your spares under there also.
Right back there. Some more storage here. This is going to be underneath your bed. And a dump area back here. And then looking at the back of it, you have got a ladder to access your roof. It is going to have a backup camera prepped. And you have got a receiver hitch down here for an accessory rack, not for towing.
Tankless water heater.
Right there, that is white so that it does blend in. Looking down your campsite, your awning is 21 feet, and you'll see that they actually give you a support right in the middle of it because it is so long. Back here at the back, you have a mini fridge.
Yeah.
And they do give you some power and USB and C charging.
And there's some blue lights in here.
And some lights in there. So, yeah. Super nice. Now,
well,
for those who like to grill, Jayco gives you these J-port where you can put your griddle. It's going to have an arm that comes and mounts out, and your propane connect is going to be right down there. Speaker down low where it should be.
Huh.
Yes.
Got a little warranty, if you can see it. 1 year tire and wheel replacement. 6 years on all.
On radio time, yeah.
Lifetime structural coverage.
On the wheels.
Huh.
Wow, well that's nice.
How you like where they put the speakers?
Yes, I do like the speakers down low.
That one's locked too.
Okay, I cannot believe that the passenger storage is locked.
Yep.
Well.
And really there's not one around here that...
But they do have storage.
Yeah, it's going to have a little.
All right, well let's go in and take a look. And this is a front kitchen.
Ooh.
So you've probably seen this with some other brands, but this is going to be fairly new for Jayco. As you can see, this is going to have solid surface, and you've got a lot of it. So
that is awesome.
Wow. So we'll just start here at the door and go around. Your controls are going to be right up there. They're going to give you a 40-inch TV. You do have a space underneath it for your remotes and things, and then your radio control. Nice big microwave with storage right up above it. You do have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven and a matching drawer. got all kinds of stuff over here.
Yeah.
Door there.
I was wondering why you jumped around. I was.
Because I didn't realize all this was over here.
Yeah, another drawer here.
And some more
Another space.
Yes, and you do have some power right here at the end of your little breakfast bar. Wow, great space underneath the sink.
You can see your
Yeah.
vents.
Yep, we're going to be down there. Another big drawer. And
That's why. Also, you see how long this is. That's why you're going to have some kind of storage
there is some storage underneath.
under here. So I hate it we couldn't
Sorry,
show
we
it,
couldn't
but
get to it. But again, all of this is solid surface. They do give you what we affectionately call the swanky sink that has the cup washer and the high-rise faucet and the soap dispenser. And then you've got this really big windshield. So, great. Storage up above. And 12-volt compressor fridge. And I love that they give you that little latch right there
yeah.
to close it. Very nice. Backing up here, the finish out this part of the slide is going to be your theater seat. You've got these great big window with blackout shades, cup holders.
Oh, yeah.
And then, of course, Jayco gives you these removable tables that just fit down in the cup holders. So if you don't need them, you can just take them out and store them. To not waste space, they give you some cubbies right back there. You do have electric and USB and C charging. Oh, and then when you sit down, you got a great view there of your TV.
I like this.
And I really, really like this breakfast bar area with the 2 stools. That is just very, very nice. And again, there's no heating in the floor.
Where would you put your Keurig?
I don't know, there's a lot of spaces. So they give you those great plug-ins up front, so I'd probably have a Keurig in one and an ice maker in the other one.
You do have plug-in and USBs under here.
Wow.
Whew.
And then, not to forget, you do have a pantry just
Yes.
as you come in the door. So, yes, really great. And your fuses are going to be down there, out of the way. Now this is a Jayco, so you are going to have the whisper quiet air in here. So you've got your 2 small vents instead of the one big unit you normally see. I don't know, do we call this one like a mid-bedroom?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sure, because when you come out of your living area, you are going to be walking into the bedroom. This is going to give you a king-size bed in here. You've got windows on both sides, lights. Your USB and C charging is going to be up in the corners there.
80.
Should be 80 by 70 or 72.
72.
Yeah, so you big king size. You actually do have power on both sides also. Now let me turn around and show you. You are going to have a traditional air conditioning in here. TV will go up above this window, and this is a nice big window. So at the foot of the bed is going to be your dresser area. 6 good drawers. Got some cabinets under there. And then this should be a wardrobe.
Yeah. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh,
Good
wow.
magnets.
And
Oh, prepped. For
prep.
Yeah.
Come on around here. What are you doing way over there?
Well, I was trying to show the whole thing.
Oh, wow. Power up in the ceiling. There's where you cut a hole for a dryer vent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now, we wondered when we first came in, we thought, okay, that looks a little awkward with it being so far out. But if you put your combo unit in there, you're going to have that much space.
Yeah.
So, and the bed is going to slide right up under it when it comes in.
And in here, do have
Another sliding door.
another door. And is this for those that like a rear bathroom?
Yes, so if you like the rear bathroom, this one is for you.
Nice window that
Big
opens.
window at the back. Big mirror that has the backlight around it. It's not a medicine cabinet, but you don't need it because you have storage down here. Actually, fairly usable space under the sink. Sometimes you can't use the space under the sink.
And huge drawers.
Big drawers. And yes, you have dual sinks, and we know some people say, oh, I don't like dual sinks. I'd rather have all the space around it. Okay, guys, if you are carrying so much stuff that you take up all of this, you have too much stuff.
Oh, well, all right then.
I just called you out.
That's right. You sure did.
All right, over here
Yes.
is a big shower. We determined it was a 48,
30 by 48.
30 by 48. Yeah, big shower. Has a skylight.
And you can also get a shower seat.
Yes.
There's your backer. You can.
So if you want to add one of those fold-up teak seats, it's prepped for it. Now I am going to tell you, this seems to have a little bit.
This is a little bit of a jump.
It's got a step to it, but your heating again is in there. And over here is going to be your water heater, and you do have a towel ring already in place. And I feel like I'm just going around in circles in here.
Yeah. Then
But-
you got. Oh, look at there.
Ta-da! Yes, really nice linen closet here. So yes, this is going to get the golden plunger. It does have a porcelain foot flush toilet.
Yes.
And because this is a rear bath, you have just tons and tons of floor space. So
I think you can camp out in here for a little while.
yes, you can. And your tissue holder is already in place. So yeah, so for our friends who like these rear bathrooms, here you go.
Yep. But a lot of people won't like it because you have to walk through the bedroom
Yes.
if you have guests.
You're always going to have to give and take.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle HT with this front kitchen, the dealership's information is down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.